तुषाराद्रिसङ्काशगौरं कबीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाश्रीशरीरं स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसत्फालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुजङ्गा.
A warm welcome to all the devotees on Raksha Sutra English. We are going to narrate wonderful holy stories to all the devotees from the book Miracles of Love by Ramdas ji, an exclusive devotee of Maharaj ji. Please listen carefully, all the devotees. One of the westerners became quite manic. He stopped sleeping and began walking through the town naked, stealing things and acting irrational in many ways. Finally, he took off in a taxi with only a shawl wrapped around himself to go see Maharaj Ji at a temple some 200 miles distant. When he arrived, he entered the temple and walked toward Maharaj Ji. As he approached, Maharaj Ji held up his index finger, and the man later reported that immediately it felt as if all the incredible high energy with which his body had been charged for days, giving him the feeling that he had supernatural powers, was drained out of him instantaneously. He recalls being angry with Maharaj Ji for taking this energy from him. Ram. Many years ago, in Neeb Karori village, crazy men were sometimes brought to Maharaj Ji, bound in chains. Maharaj Ji used to say, "Free them and keep them near Hanuman Ji." He would take a small bamboo stick and proceed to hit them on their heads. Then he would ask, "Are you all right?" They would say, "Yes." Then Maharaj Ji would ask them to do some work, saying something like, "Bring a stick of Rambans," means cactus plant. When they would bring it, he would say, "Now it's all right." They were allowed to stay for a day or two, and then he would ask the people who brought them to take them back home. Ram. Many years ago, a Mohammedan lived behind the place where Maharaj Ji was staying. They loved each other very much. One day, two crazy men were brought there, and Maharaj Ji said to the Mohammedan, "You make one of them all right, and I will make the other one all right." The one who was with Maharaj Ji became all right within a short time, but the Muslim took some time, and his man was still not all right. The devotees were sitting there watching. Maharaj Ji called the other crazy man over to him and hit him gently on his head, and then he too was perfectly all right. But Maharaj Ji said, "Oh, the Mohammedan did it first." Ram. I was with Maharaj Ji when he went to the sanitarium to visit the principal's younger brother who had gone insane. He was brought into the room in chains, and his unfocused eyes were rolling around in his head. Maharaj Ji stood in front of him, talking to him. Suddenly, the man fell to the ground at Maharaj Ji's feet and was perfectly sane. The man was able to answer all questions. Later, he was released, although it wasn't to be his last bout with mental illness. Ram. Once a Western devotee stood before Maharaj Ji in a rage of defiance. He was drug intoxicated and came to believe that he himself was Jesus Christ and that Maharaj Ji needed to repent. Before many other devotees there, this fellow shouted his defiance. Maharaj Ji silently engaged the fellow's gaze for a few moments with a look of openness and compassion. The man still continued his tirade, so Maharaj Ji nodded his head and then told some devotees to throw him out. Even after he was outside, Maharaj Ji sent more devotees out to be sure that he had gotten on the bus and left town. Later, when asked how he had felt during this time, the man said he felt engulfed with Maharaj Ji's love and was especially touched that he would send people out to help him board the bus. Maharaj Ji did not heal all who came to him with illness or who prayed to be healed. Why some were healed and others were not was known only to him. Sometimes he would apparently lessen the illness but leave the individual with some of the suffering. His comments at these times suggest that Maharaj Ji's healing acts were intimately related to the karma of the individual, that often it was necessary for the person to suffer part or perhaps all of the pain of the illness. While most people do not want to suffer, Maharaj Ji now and then reminded his devotees that suffering brings us closer to God. When my daughter was born, she was very sickly. I took her to an allopath and to an Ayurveda doctor of herbal medicine, but no one could help. I took her to an astrologer who said she was 3 planets indicating death. If she lives past 2.5, then bring her to me for her chart. Now it is useless. Then I brought her to Maharaj Ji and asked his help. Maharaj Ji just bent his head down on his arm and hid his face for some time. For about 5 minutes he concentrated, then he picked up his head and said, "Don't worry, she will be all right." After that darshan, my daughter caught pneumonia again and again, but she lived. She is now 6 years old. I don't worry about her. What comes now is karma and we must deal with it. Ram. The Stick That Heals section is long, so further stories of this section will be narrated to all devotees in next episode. To listen the wonderful holy stories of Maharaj Ji, please like, share, subscribe the channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon and write in the comment box Jai Neem Karoli Babaji Maharaj and Jai Ram Das Ji.